Okay, now we're going to do a blog. See the system work. Publish your blog to the world, broadcast your social networks, etc. So we're going to go to blogs. And we haven't made any groups or anything yet, so we're going to be publishing a blog on my profile page. See, that's all that's going to show here. When I make groups or join groups, I will be able to publish to those blogs as well, and they'll list here. Category, I'm just going to do business development. Post title. So I'm going to do a blog about Bumblebee. How does Bumblebee connect to other Transformer movies? All right, so I'm going to just copy that and paste it. It'll all make sense to you here in a minute. Okay, are we going to do a thumbnail? That's what this is called. What a thumbnail does is when this blog gets published to a news feed, it'll pick that image up and publish it to the news feed, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, etc. If you don't know what I mean, you will when I get done with this video, because I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to upload a image, clicking on here. And let's see, I guess I'll do this one because it's got copy on it. I usually make an image just for this, but this is a demonstration. Okay, so now we have that image. Tags, Bumblebee, comma, no space. Let's see, let's try to spell this right here. Bumblebee. No space, because these turn into hashtags. There's no sense in putting in more than 3. All the social networks out there, the maximum is 3. I see people put a lot more in there. They don't really do any good. Actually, I believe Google will punish you for hashtag stuffing. So this is a Bumblebee. Movies, Transformers. That's all we need. All right, now before I get working here, I'm going to click on this. This maximizes. When you click on it again, it minimizes it. So we're going to go to maximize. And now I've gone to this site and I've pulled this information down, cleaned it up. I'm going to use it for making the blog. And it's okay to do this. It's called curating, as long as you give credit where credit's due. You'll see. All right, so I'm going to open up my WordPress. And there you see it. And I'm going to copy this information right here. Copy it. And I'm going to go to my site. And I'm going to just paste it. And it should carry that through. Now I want to make sure that, let's see, I'm going to get that out of there. I want to make sure that this is a font like, I like Calibria, I like Verdana. So I'm going to make it Verdana, and I'm going to make the size 14. And then I'm going to make this. Why am I going to make this heading 1? Because the search engines give it more value. The blog. Back to the blog. All right, so there's an image in the blog. So we'll go look at our blog, and we have this image here underneath that. So we're going to go put that image in. That image, I've already downloaded it, so it's just a matter of me clicking on the image, go to the upload, choose the file. Blog images. There it is. Send to the server. And give it a width of 700. That's my default width. You saw me doing that in the bio. Click OK. I'm going to give it a border. Click OK. Hit enter. Go back to my content here. Now you'll see that I've got a tag Bumblebee movie, and there's a link to it. So we're going to put a movie in here, a video movie. So we're going to paste that. The reason why I want the Bumblebee movie there is because I'm going to go to my source code, and there's the Bumblebee movie. I'm going to put my source code right there, and what I'm going to use is embed. So I'm going to go here, click on share, click on embed, click copy, go back to my blog, and I'm going to paste it right there. I'm going to hit the enter key, click source, and there's my movie. You're just going to see it as an iframe. All right, now I'm going to go get the rest of my content. I got another picture. So I copy that content, paste it in, hit enter. I'm going to clean up my formatting a little bit. Sometimes these extra spaces aren't necessary. Okay, I'm going to go to images, go to upload, choose file. Okay, I want the Bumblebee GIF. Send to surfer. Okay, width is fine. Click OK. There's my animated GIF. Go back to my content. Grab my content. Copy. Paste. It's just real simple. You can sign it if you want. Okay, it's signed. Make it bold. There's the bold tag. Play around with these little tools here. They're all pretty cool. Just make sure that if you don't know what you're doing and you're putting something together for marketing, that you make sure that it's effective for the marketing. All right, so now I'm going to minimize it, and I'm going to publish it. I'm going to allow swiping, which allows other members to swipe it. Really easy. They push a button, and it just moves it right over, gives them a copy. Okay, I'm going to click publish. Now, something you need to know, if I go back to edit this, you see all this space right here? This space has been allocated to your thumbnail. So what some people do when they go to edit, they delete this information here. See what happened? If you look at your source, you'll see that this is that thumbnail. That's why it has a hide of 1 and a width of 1 so it doesn't show up. Okay, I just want you to be aware of that. So we're going to cancel. All right, we're going to look at our okay. Now I'm going to subscribe to it. Click on the subscribe. These accounts aren't connected yet. I have to go connect those in order to subscribe, but I can subscribe it to my news feed, my dashboard alert. So I'm now subscribed to my blog. Once I have set up my social networks into the system, I'll be able to subscribe those to it as well. So whenever I publish my blog, it goes to, it publishes automatically. I'll show you. Oh, we'll go to LinkedIn. I'm going to put the link here. Post it. It's loading in the preview. There's the preview. Post. That's why we put that preview in there. That's the thumbnail. This is where it shows up. Do not think that by doing that it's going to change this. That's not your thumbnail. That's your profile picture. Just like up here, it's going to show down here. As we go through the lessons and I show you how to set up groups, social networks, and things, a lot more, this will make sense. But that's it. Just make a simple blog. And by doing so, you've earned more coin. How cool is that? See, right there? Now those are done. Tell your friends. I already got that because I posted like I did. But the next lesson, I will take you through the whole process of telling your friends. Okay. That's it for this lesson.